Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your system supports virtualization and has at least 8 GB RAM. This matters because emulation needs CPU and memory headroom. Once done, enable virtualization in BIOS or UEFI. It's usually under Advanced or CPU settings. Next, choose your path. BlueStacks for simple install, Android Studio for developers, or Windows Subsystem for Android on Windows. I'll assume you've downloaded the chosen installer. Make sure the installer matches your OS and that you have admin rights. Run the emulator installer as administrator so drivers and virtual devices install correctly. You may see virtualization prompts. Accept them. Once the emulator is installed, launch it and sign into your Google account to enable the Play Store. This ties Play services to your profile. Then, configure resource allocation. Increase CPU cores and RAM if performance lags, and pick hardware or software graphics based on your GPU. Make input and display tweaks so apps respond like they would on a phone or tablet. Finish by updating Google Play services and the Play Store inside the emulator. Outdated services often prevent installs. Once updated, install your apps and test them. If an app refuses to run or crashes, clear the emulator cache, restart the virtual device, and if needed, remove and re-add your Google account. For stubborn issues, check the emulator's logs or Logcat to pinpoint missing libraries or permission failures. That diagnostic step tells you whether to change settings, allocate more resources, or try a different emulator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.